So one of the important things to do with your Coleman spa is to make sure you keep it clean. So I'm going to show you how to use this device right here. It's called the ChemConnect. This actually just attaches right here onto the spa. This is where all the hot water, the flow from water coming from the pump goes in the spa. And all you have to do is twist it off. And then on the very top, you hold on to the light gray part, hold on to the dark gray, turn it, and you open it up like so. So you can shake out the water. Now in this section right here is where you're going to put your chemical tablets. So I picked up these guys right here. It's the Clorox Pool&Spa tablets. I do have a link in the description below if you actually want to order the ones that I'm using. So I'm just going to go ahead and use just one for now because it is a small spa. And you can see right here, all you have to do is just drop it into the ChemConnect like so. And then bring the lid back on like this. And you twist it closed. Now if you look on the side, you can see that there's these little vent holes where you can twist back and forth. That allows more water in, less water out, depending on how far you click it over, and that will determine how much chemical is being put into your spa. So that's kind of more up to your discretion on how clean the water is staying. So now you just go and put it back on into the spa. You just twist it on like so. And now you are all set. Now it's going to slowly be adding some chemical to your spa, keeping it nice and clean. So if you need any other tips on how to properly use your Coleman spa, put some just write down in the description below any questions you have, and I will do my best to answer them. Thank you very much.